Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to tell you about the installation of MOPAC 2016 for Windows. MOPAC is a general purpose semi-empirical molecular orbital package for the study of solid state and molecular structures and reactions. And MOPAC also calculates the vibrational spectra, thermodynamic quantities, isotopic substitutions effects, and force constant for molecules, radicals, ions, and polymers. Now, first we will download the MOPAC from the official website of the MOPAC. So you need to type open mopac.net in the browser window. This is the official website of MOPAC. The latest version of MOPAC is 2016. But before going to download or install MOPAC 2016, you must be ensured that you have a proper license key. This license is freely available for the academic and research activity. So I am going to click on this download link, and you need to click on the first link, download 64-bit MOPAC 2016 for Windows. As you click on, the download will start. So let us wait for the download. So our file is now downloaded. Open folder and extract these files. There are total 4 files. Now copy these files in your C drive with a folder name MOPAC. So I'm going to open the folder C drive, open the program files, and there is already MOPAC in my PC. You can create a new folder with MOPAC and copy all these files in that folder. Now go back to the folder and right click over this folder and click on the properties. Now just click on the security, and to change permission click on edit button. I have already edited, so click on edit button and give the full control to this folder and press the OK. Like me, I have already given the full control, so press OK here. Now again open the folder and create a text document. So new text document created, and open this text document first. Now you need to paste the license key here and save this file in the name of the license key .mop. So the license key can be obtained through the email. I have already obtained, so I will use my own license key here. So I will copy this license key from here to the text document and save file with the name of password only and give the extension MOP. So close it. Now this is the new text document, and rename it also. So give the license key and type the extension MOP. Yes. Now you need to create a shortcut. So go to this exe file and create shortcut from here. So I have already created shortcut, so you can see the shortcut on desktop. So shortcut is already there. Now the next step, open the folder in which you have put the key. Minimize it. So if you drag this password file over this exe file, so if you drag this password file over this MOPAC, then it will run a small screen and install your MOPAC. Okay, except that if you have any problem in installation, you can go to this text file, that is the installation instructions. The whole process is described in this file, so you can take the help of this, or you can write me in the comment box if you feel any difficulty in the installation. Thank you.